So what's up, dude? Where are we going right now?
Fishing!
Ooh, is it fun?
Yeah.
How do you know you never did it? Hey Nick, do you want to go fishing with us? Okay. All right. All right, let's go. We
can't find any pliers.
Oh. So maybe we won't be fishing. What are you doing? You always say zip it, unzip it, zip it, unzip it, zip it, unzip it. Don't pull it, it'll rip.
Is there any spots up here where you don't need a license?
Well, they all have licenses. I don't know. I'm not gonna fish because I don't have one either.
I don't have mine this year.
Yeah. Yeah, they all have it. That's why I'm gonna go with them, but I'm not gonna fish. But I want these guys to try it. They wanted to try it.
It's like 12 and under, you don't need it.
Sweet. We're taking this beauty. The big beauty right here. Oh, there he is. Not the truck. It's the man. It's the man behind the truck. Whoa. This is PG-13 channel. Tundra. Look at this beast. Look at that beast. The beast of a truck. Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah!
Ouch! You just got me! Good thing I'm like a ninja.
I can show you. I can show you.
Hey.
Can I tell you?
Be very careful.
Okay. It's sun.
Too bright.
Yeah, it's
Over
sun.
here. Hold that tight.
Over
here.
Over here.
Oh, no. Hold it tight.
Jace, make a strong face. Not like that. I can't.
Okay, come on, let's get in here. Make sure you guys are good. Nope, in the back, but don't get on the seats, okay? Gotta respect Oscar's truck. There's just probably not kids in there very often. Okay, so don't step on the seat. And we're off to fishing. Okay, what are we doing?
Fishing. Go fishing.
Going fishing.
Turn around, turn around.
Where? Over there?
Yeah.
Whoa. Are you in the woods? Are you in nature?
I have a hood and my hat on.
In nature, we have found one of the biggest handicap spots in the world.
There's something in my shoe.
Look how big. Look how big. Look how big. And it goes all the way. I guess it's for handicap boating, as this is a boat launch. Hey, come over here. Come on.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire.
They're alive, look, it's alive, look. Hold it. You gotta hold it, it's part of fishing. It doesn't do nothing, look. It doesn't hurt you. Look.
Okay.
Okay. Hold it. Okay.
Look, right here. It's a little fish. He caught it with his broken reel. How did you reel it in?
I'm just moving the thing. Yeah.
He just threw it out there. He's like, oh, it's broken. Then he gets a bite. Like,
Okay.
Whoa.
well, good thing it wasn't a big fish.
That
You see it?
was
Come and look, Jace. Look at the fish.
Well, now we have no way to get the hook out either.
We don't?
We don't have pliers.
Wow.
Alright.
Well, he didn't even get the worm.
Nope.
Poor guy.
That,
Was that cool?
I really want another one.
Oh.
Ready?
That was Don't give it to me.
Let him hold it. Let him hold
Are
it.
you doing
Oh, let him touch it. Hold on, touch it,
Yeah,
touch
there's
it.
spines on
Touch
it.
it.
So
No, just
you wanna
touch it. It won't bite you. Just touch it.
Touch it.
See? Want
One
to touch it?
touch?
Just touch it.
You gotta put him back
It's
in the
slimy.
water.
Hurry, he's gotta breathe.
Okay.
Here, the fishy.
Kind of curling it around the thing.
There you go. All right, we're in McCall. In McCall. Little splash pad looks like.
What time is it?
Got the marina. They're playing over there by the stars. That's so cool.
I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean.
I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window.
You've been playing my mind lately, turning around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean.
Look at the puppies.
Look at these
Mario. This is Mario.
That thing on?
Yep.
Alright. Check this out. So we out here, right? McCall, doing big things, hanging out with the fam. Shout out to everybody, Arizona, Boise, Colorado. What's up to my people? Hanging out with the family. Ice cream. Out.
That's Oscar. That's good.
I'm gonna try hitting me.
Jason's asleep.
I saw that.
Dude, I don't know that.
Boo.
No, dude.
It's lost and gone.
Hi, babe.
Is that oatmeal?
So much nice outside in.
Yeah.
Brother.
Baby oatmeal with pineapple pear.
What? He stabbed me in the eye.
Ouch. Look at eyes. You only got 2 eyes. What are you guys
That's
doing?
20 heads. If you get shot 2 more times, you're dead. I have to come heal you. Dad, I have an eye patch.
Okay, eye patch. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
She's like,
They're coming for you. I don't know if you knew you were playing, but they thought you were playing.
I win.
Nick. Yeah, they were like, oh, he got me in the eye. Pretend I'm wearing an eye patch. That's what he said. Serious business around here.
Did you get them playing heads up? Or
No, I'm gonna go in there.
doing good?
Lauren had a good idea because everyone's doing cool stuff right now.
I was like, I got a document. Everyone's doing
And I was like, I should.
oh, I know, that's why I'm like, the headbands are tough. Okay.
I'm gonna start doing the pasta.
Baby.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's up in her room or.
Heads up.
We'll go find her.
That's fine. I know, that's why I had to hold him. Okay, so.
Wait, God.
You want to see?
Just take down.
Like this, watch. See yourself?
Okay, yep.
You're on a video.
Me?
Yeah, that's you.
That's yours.
Yeah?
Why?
Taking a video.
Back. Put it back.
Put it back.
Separate thing.
Like this. And then you can see. It's Grandpa.
Grandpa, see.
Cheese.
Pretty cool, huh?
He said cheese. It takes a video.
Yeah. Sorry.
I was just gonna say that. I was just gonna say that
Hi, Graham. Cool.
Wait, how many?
All right.
Until they're all gone, and then whoever has the most chips wins.
Cracked open.
And then we start over.
Hello.
Tasting like
Yeah.
biscuits.
Whoa. Jeez. Don't worry. It's my little leg. I feel nothing.
Oh my god.
Open it.
Ready? Oh, ready? And there you are.
Okay, so.
See? Because you can go like this. Look.
Is it facing the right way?
Yeah. No, I can't. So you can look at yourself.
We're gonna get
Here.
No, that's you.
together. No one can.
And here's Jace. I'm gonna get Jace first. He's a party animal. That's another party animal. Different party animal. We're back in town. Did you have a fun trip? What was your favorite part?
Taking trips on a bike through the neighborhood, and then also the swing in the cabin.
And then also the lake and the water and the food. Sweet. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part of the trip?
Yep. Come on here. There's too much food in there. Okay, see you later. YouTube doesn't have time for that.
My favorite part was the swing over the rocks. That was pretty cool.
The rocks of death.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty fun.
Chase, what was your favorite part of the trip? The airplane? Yeah, it's fun. You had a good trip? Get to see all the family? All your cousins? You had lots of fun, huh? You were a good boy. Okay, I love you. I love you. What was your favorite part of the trip? Uh-huh. Really? Sweet. Good talk. What was your favorite part of the trip?
My favorite part?
Yeah.
The bike ride.
That's what Brianna said.
We heard the trees talking when the wind was blowing, and I liked looking out the windows. Not the same here. the beautiful windows and just seeing the trees and the water and going out and sitting with your sister and having coffee and watching all the animals float across the lake. Mostly ducks, but we saw questionable animals. It was like a lizard squirrel herd.
Where were you guys?
It came out of the
There
water.
was hawks.
Yeah.
And there was like cranes.
Cranes. We call them swans, and we stuck with that.
Okay. Swans. You're not out.
Kaylee's the one that told me she lives there.
That they're swans?
Yeah.
Whoa. The one
They
we saw
were
was a crane.
As they got closer, they weren't. But they were.
Are you judging? Did the swan turn into a crane?
I just loved being out of the desert and wearing a sweater.
I know, now we're back in 100 million degree weather.
It's not that bad. It was really hot when we left. It was like 120.
Okay. This boy. So sleepy. So sleepy. Alright, well, I think that's a wrap. We got everybody. We had a really fun trip. And now it's time to finish cleaning up, take a shower, go to sleep. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Which will be, I don't know when.
Jay,
Yes,
can you insert a plane landing?
I have footage.
Why don't you let our YouTubers know that I left Javen's entire school folder with all of his homework on the plane.
Because she likes
And
to
then I
hook
had
her
to
kids
write
up.
a note that said the airplane dog ate his homework.
Yep, we'll see how that goes over. He may be failing school now, and he just started.
Oh my
But-
God, he's in kindergarten.
Serious business. Yes! Whoa, he's a little grumpy. Beware to our followers. He is tired and he will get you. Okay, good talk. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Our little scholar still has more work. Never ends. Keeps going. Oh, goodness. We have a lot of those on our
Do you want a
channel.
banana or an orange?
No, I'm good, thanks. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Goodbye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Goodbye. Bye-bye now. Goodbye. Bye-bye now. All right. He's awake. Now, we already ended the video, but we wanted to hear what was your favorite part of the trip?
Going to grandma's.
Yeah? Seeing all your cousins?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. Did you like the cabin? That was fun. You swam in the lake? Yeah? And you went fishing for the first time ever. And you touched
A fish.
That's crazy. It was nice up there, huh? Nice and cool. Did you go in a hot tub? There was a hot tub? Wait, there was a hot tub outside at the cabin in the ground? Amazing. Okay, well, is that it? Or what else? Anything?
That's it.
All right. Tell our people, peace out.
Peace out.
And then you gotta do your threes, because we're all threes. Well, you guys are threes. All right. Peace. And we...